The Motorola Curve Radio is the newest Wi-Fi enhanced business two-way radio. Designed specifically for retail, this is the first business communication device which utilizes Wi-Fi as well as voice assistance capabilities for its team. With 1 watt of power and 10 channels, this radio offers up to 300,000 square feet of coverage in optimal conditions. When things start to get busy, however, hands-free communication is required for the team to stay on top of things. This is where accessories such as radio earpieces come into play. Here are a few different options. The Motorola Curve over-the-ear single-pin earpiece. This is a single-pin accessory which curves to form to the ear. This works well within the retail environment due to its durable design and its low maintenance. This is especially efficient when earpieces are being switched among employees. Simply wipe down the accessory before rotating between people, and that's it. The Motorola Curve 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece is a more discreet product, which typically works well for security settings and others who want to conceal this equipment. Interchange this earpiece among employees with a replaceable clear coil and memory foam ear tip. The Motorola Curve DShell earpiece. This is an option which is used in settings where the earpiece needs to have a higher level of durability, as well as a stronger attachment to the ear. Warehouses and manufacturing settings are examples of appropriate applications for this DShell. Each of these earpieces possess the M8 connector, which is the part that plugs into the audio port of the Motorola Curve handheld. Lastly, here are just a few tips when utilizing these accessories with your two-way radios. Plug the earpiece in before powering on the radio. Make sure that the wire is facing up when plugging in the accessory. Push hard enough to feel or hear a click when attaching the earpiece to the radio. Power down your radio before detaching the accessory, simply to get into the habit of only connecting or disconnecting while the radio is powered down. Allow your operations to flow seamlessly with hands-free communications. For more information on Motorola Curve earpieces, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.